Okay, let me be like. Have a look.
Okay, but I will, yes. You know what I was thinking of? That the line
But the point now, but I'm not just organized. So that TV closed. All we need to make money. So TV can so open up.
okay.
Okay. Just they will make a noise.
Yeah, let's initiate.
But you're not tired anyway.
Let's initiate the noise cancelling and see what effect it is now.
The noise cancelling. Or whatever they are the noise cancelling. Noise cancelling go on the mic. You don't have the mic. My hair about more check the remote in my hand. You don't know channel camera. You're not watching. So I need to set. Camera audio.
What is this sound?
Let me see. I'm going to go to the mic because I think.
The light looks like it's even more. The light looks like it's even more here.
How? No, it's okay. Yeah.
You know what I think? We have not activated the church system. All a live feed from the church. I said maybe doing the council, which is something I like us to try now.
No, it's okay.
You know, the time passed when you ask that question when it shows up. Live feed from the church. But how do we feed, since I didn't want to link studio, how do we feed the life, the sound from the church system into this? And then be able to move around.
That will go with mic. A special mic will plug here, right? Then you plug the church audio here. What do you mean?
And you're gonna transmit the sound so that the mic can pick it from you.
Apart from that, this has mic right here.
Yes, it has mic there. We're trying to eliminate
Noise.
the noise.
Noise after the first streaming.
Are you in the church?
Yes, we're in church. We're testing out the system.
Because I come on my phone.
Okay. All right. So the camera has mic, just like the other cameras I use. They have mics, but I added with this ambient sound that's noisy from the other cameras I use. How do we cancel that? And then the church's sound system into this. Because someone happy upon the PK from the again well of echo.
I don't know.
Go to YouTube. Okay.
Okay, now we are the off. Abanyana me here. Can I be on here?
The noise cancelling.
Okay, now we are the off. Abanyana me here. Can I be on here?
Okay, the sound quality is a little better. I don't hear the.
Okay, we don't need that. You know, the problem is extreme modesty, right? Let me go walk. If they are like good, then we don't have any problem. We have the consistent.
Okay, so we don't think no one I want in the church microphone system. The camera is in the PK. Okay, and then we love PK. Because even with 3 cameras in the PK at the same time, we feel the sound here.
Now, this is the off, right? Actually, the off now. I have not been to do those things.
Yeah, back on back.
So, all I am like this, and I have a do how you fit on the system on now.
I can turn on the system now.
Okay, turn up on, open a mic, I want to touch it pick. I think you open up, I only had a B. Then another thing was the I check with the campus around.
The two million shoes I have recorded and sound fading.
Okay, turn on, I check sound feeding, and then the next one was the ebook that the tripod, camera television tomorrow. Because I'm learning how to position. And then oh, okay, I'll come down to the corner. How do you do that, right? I'll come down to the corner. Oh, how do you do that? No, it's okay. But tomorrow I got it. Huh? Yeah, go ahead. I'll put the camera here. I'm going to grab turn on the mic and the light.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll put the camera here.
How does it sound? Give that sound.
Okay, that's it.
I'm hoping to make noise.
On the picture, all those, on the noise. Almost like that's not in the mind they put it, but put them up pick it from there. But this thing doesn't go.
So,
Yeah, I got it too high.
we're showing 4 outputs
Look how output, look how the
for the camera.
output that are live.
And the thing about this camera
It
is
says my USB audio in.
my USB audio in. Where does it mean? Not up there.
Audio input, which is unavailable. What do you mean? So I think those audio when I got there, then I work at there and each mic has a delay here. But we are not now the audio in now. Then we're going to catch you up, you know.
Yeah, but I will use this tomorrow.
Yeah? Okay. I work on it before they use it.
Yes. Let's give it some more work. Okay, when it's down, let me increase my volume. Yes. Let's give it some more work. Okay, turn it all the way down.
So let's try this. No, let's say number 2. Okay, now I'm in number 1. Then my help on the pick the same. Like they can about keep picking here can use what time on now we can use 1 collect all the whole thing. So let's try this. No, let's say number 2. Okay, now. Okay, number 2. Then my help on the pick the same. Like they can about keep picking here can use what time on now number 2. 1. So collect. I believe nke now nke no here.
Okay.
Right? Because all the clear.
Jacob, yeah.
Now when you talk, then epic is a bigger man or below. All the clear. This one is so clear. Right? Because on a close here. I believe nke now nke no here.
Okay.
Right? Because all the clear.
Turn right down.
So, and already noisy. Listen to the background. Audio okay. This one is
okay.
So clear.
Like the camera has no control around the body. The body of the camera has no control. Only the body of the dog.
So another thing